Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Donna. So today I'm super excited to share with you how I created a tabletop fire bowl. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with a pottery bowl that I picked up from the thrift store for $1.50. I also have some rocks, some heavy-duty tin foil, and a gel chafing canister that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using the tin foil to create a holder for my chafing gel canister. You can use a tin can if you have one that fits around the canister and inside your bowl. I didn't have anything on hand, so I'm creating my own. So I've just taken some tin foil, folded it, wrapped it around the canister, and now I'm just wrapping it around the bottom as well. Do as many layers as you would like. So now I've decided to use some foil tape that I already had on hand, and I'm going to use a nice long section and I'm going to adhere it to the tin foil. This will just provide some really great strength to my holder. Now I'm just going to use a few pieces on the underside of my chafing gel holder, and I'm just going to seal up that bottom hole that you had seen. I'm adding some strips of the foil tape to the top edge of my canister holder, and that will just help smooth out the edges so you don't get cut, and it just also provides more stability. Use as much foil tape or tin foil as you'd like, just to create a nice sturdy container, or again you could also use a tin can. Okay, now I'm going to be adding rocks to my bowl. I'm going to fill it up about halfway, and then I'm just going to measure to see if my canister is just shy of being leveled to the top of my bowl. Once it's in place, you are going to then fill in around with rocks, and I'm also going to just test it out and fill in the top part of the canister just to make sure that everything is at the right level. Okay, I'm just going to remove the rocks that are on top of the canister. And you can see here my holder is not collapsing from the weight of the rocks. So once the rocks are all in place, I am now going to remove the canister and I'm going to pop the lid off using a flathead screwdriver. And then I am going to clean the lid off and set it aside. Place the gel canister back in the holder, cover up the rim with rocks again, and then take it outside.